Okay po. Ang BIDA po stands for Buhay Ingatan, Drogay Ayawan. Ito po yung umbrella program of the Department of the Interior and Local Government to fight the to strengthen awareness on the ill effects of illegal drugs. Ito po yung ang programa na sana matapos na yung war natin on illegal drugs. Through this po, kinakailangan po nating mahikayat yung participation ng lahat ng sektor ng ating lipunan. Hindi lang po yung PNP, yung PDEA, yung national government agencies. Kasama na sana yung mga schools, yung church, and even yung komong tao po na sama-sama tayong isugpo ang illegal na droga po. As far as the ILG local government sector is concerned, sa po kami, may ginagawa po kaming Anti-Drug Abuse Council audit or ADAC audit. For the Bicol region po, may 4 po tayong local government units na may ideal functionality ng ADAC. But today po, we are also awarding the high functionality local government unit on ADAC. Secretary will be joining us in the launching and the opening program po. Supposedly sana kasama si Secretary doon sa Funbay, kaya lang hindi talaga nakakuha ng earlier flight.
Ayun.
But kasama namin siya sa program and hihikayatin din niya po yung suporta ng lahat ng sektor to help us in the promotion of this BIDA program. Not just in Region 5 but for the entire country po. Actually, ito po yung parang continuation ng ating laban kasi hindi natatapos yung problema natin. And we really hope to ensure na mananalo tayo dito, so hindi tayo uurong.